Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make and use hot oil treatment at home. Hot oil works best for dry damaged hair. The treatment will convert my dry hair into moisturized and shiny hair. So for today's hot oil treatment, I'll be using these three oils: coconut oil. So my second oil to use is wild rose oil. This is very good for growth. And finally, the third one is almond oil. I'll go ahead and add 20 ml of coconut oil in a bowl. You don't have to use the same measurements. It all depends with your hair volume. Next, I'll add wild post-growth oil. So if you don't have this type of oil, you can substitute this oil for avocado oil or olive oil. You don't have to use the same exact oil. So I'll go ahead and add my third oil, which is almond oil, just a few drops of it. So once I'm done, I'm going to add hot water in a clean bowl. I find this method better than microwaving because it's not going to take away some of the nutrients from the oils. Simply fill in hot water into the bowl. Once done, take the mixture and place it into the hot water bowl. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to transfer the hot oil in an applicator container. So my oil is ready for use. So I'll go ahead and show you how I use it on my hair. At the moment, my hair is very dry and frizzy and it has color on it. So this oil treatment is going to boost it. So first, I want to make sure my hair is fully detangled so it doesn't break in the process of application. This is the best way to do it, to detangle your hair before applying the oil. And also I'll divide it into 4 parts for easy application. Hot oil works best on clean hair, but if you had recently washed your hair, there will be no need of washing it again. You can do that after applying the hot oil. So I'm done with applying the hot oil on my hair. I'll go ahead and cover my head with a shower cap, or you can use a plastic cap. So I'll do it for overnight. That's how I do it because my hair is very dry. 20 minutes may not be enough, to make my hair moisturized because it's already, damaged and it has color. So I'm just trying to do everything possible for my hair before I think whether I'm going to cut it or not. So after an overnight, this is how my hair looks like. I just love the outcome, guys. After using the hot oil treatment, you can see my hair looks moisturized. So I'll just go ahead and give it another chance. So guys, you've seen there is a huge difference before applying and after application of hot oil treatment. So go ahead and try it for your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe on your way out. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.